Hi guys, Mrs. Stevens here. Good morning or afternoon, whenever you're watching this. We're going to do a real quick and dirty tutorial, probably less than 3 minutes, about choosing a topic, okay? And we're going to use dolphins as an example. Some of you may have gotten a response on your discussion board that your topic was a little too broad or maybe too narrow. So when you choose your topic, you're going to start doing some wiki level research. That sounds just like it is. Wikipedia, basic sources. You don't even have to judge their credibility because all you're doing is getting an overview of your topic, finding out some background information, and discovering angles. That's the important thing. You're going to discover some angles at this point so you know what your topic's going to be. Now, it's also good to find synonyms and related concepts so you have more search terms to mix and match, but that's a lesson for another day. Here's what I ended up with, okay? Dolphins. I love dolphins. Dolphins. But what aspect can I explore? I'm not writing a book about dolphins. I'm not writing a 120-page dissertation. I'm making an infographic. I can't say everything there is to say about dolphins. Here's the beauty of this class. Pick the angle that interests you the most. Man, after about 10 minutes of research, I looked at dolphins in captivity and, oh my gosh, Japanese whaling, it's horrible. The habitat of dolphins, dolphins and intelligence. My gosh, I could do 10 infographics about dolphins and climate change. But ultimately, I'm going to pick one angle and then I'm going to start doing a deeper exploration. I'm going to start finding quotes. I'm going to start looking at supporting evidence, okay? That's my journal level research. Not necessarily in a journal, although it can be, but it's going to just be a little bit deeper research on one angle. And then you're going to choose that angle. I ultimately chose dolphins and intelligence. So now, if you notice, here's my old one. I had dolphins and intelligence like over here. Dolphins was my main idea, but in my new mind map, look at this. I've got all about intelligence, self-awareness, which is huge. Oh my gosh, if dolphins look in the mirror, they know it's them. Communication, we all know they're great communicators. The psychological tests involved, you can see I've got to do a little more research there. Dolphins in play, the physiology of their brains. There's so much to write about when I stick to my angle. So here's how that looks, right? Scope. We're all about scope and angle. Now, we've got whaling. See it over there on the left? But you guys, whaling's so important. Doesn't the public need to know what's happening to dolphins? Maybe, yes, but you chose dolphins and intelligence, so I don't want to see anything about whaling. If whaling was that important to you, then your infographic would be about whaling. Stick to your angle. We've got dolphins and intelligence, so we're going to talk about hoops and toys and psychological tests and how they interact with humans. We've got plenty to write about sticking to our scope. All right, so that's a little update on your scope and your angle, doing some basic research and then a little bit deeper research to pick an angle. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email or a text, and have a great day.